Okay, Murtala, what have you got?
Yes, so a few things to share with you this morning. First of all, let me take you to the criminal court one. Yesterday, there is a case involving Rafmoh Rafmoh Gold, I beg your pardon, where together with some 6 others have been charged for smuggling gold and 100 kilograms valued 100 million Ghana cedis. You know that since we had the gold board into the system, the law was passed. It means that if you are trading in gold, there are certain steps that you ought to take. It is being said that these people or these accused persons did not follow the right channel and they were smuggling gold. So sometime this year, when the law came to being, they were found allegedly infringing upon the law, where they were smuggling gold from Takwa to Accra, and somewhere at Winneba they were caught and arraigned at the High Court. In fact, yesterday when the case was called, earlier 4 of them have appeared and then pleaded not guilty. The remaining 3 are being sought. They are 7 in all. 2 of them, when they had their lawyers, they managed to turn themselves in to the police. Investigations were dealt with, granted police inquiry bail. Yesterday, they were also arraigned before the court and their plea were taken. So all the 6 of them who had their pleas taken, the court granted them bail in the sum of 50 million Ghana cedis each, with 2 sureties, 1 to be justified. And of course, the court is saying that they should report to the police or the case investigator once any other day. And so that is how this very one ended yesterday at the criminal court 1, presided over by Justice Ruby Aite. So the next time they are coming to court, they will be in court on November 7, 2025. In this case, Deputy Attorney General Dr. GHOne and some led the team from the state Attorney General's office to prosecute this one. Of course, lawyer Paul Asibi Abariga and some other lawyers also represented the accused persons in relation to this very matter. So sometime into, if you look at the bail sum of all the 6 of them, 300 million Ghana cedis in combined, that's the combined bail sum. One of the, in fact, the owner or the leader of the company, Rafmoh Gold Ltd, is at large, and so he is being sought after. So that's one of the cases that took place. Then yesterday I was talking to you about the Ofankor landlord who is standing trial for allegedly killing his tenant, Nana Kankam, yesterday before Justice Marie Louise Simmons. That case also came to vote. And so why you note that before the legal vacation, this issue about the jury on strike and all of that, just before the legal vacation, cases that were pending, old cases, stalled, except the new one, the one that we talk about, the jury reform that you had the interview with the justices here. Those set of jurors, they were working, but the old ones who were in the system, they were on strike because they had issues with their allowances. The good news is that they are back in action, and yesterday they were present, but just that they had to take additional dates to ensure that at the next time when the case is called, prosecution will continue with their witnesses. So these were the 2 major cases that came to the fore. But coming up today, one of the cases that we are looking at, and yesterday there was an update in relation to what was National Signals Bureau, the 49.1 million Ghana cedis case, where Kwabena Edu Boahin, the wife Angela J. Boateng, Mildred Donko, and of course Advantage Solutions, they were before the court. And that particular case, the 4 of them are facing 11 counts, which cumulated into 7 main charges, including stealing and of course willfully causing financial loss to the state. Prosecution is calling 3 witnesses. The very first of the witnesses in the box facing cross-examination. And yesterday there is an update. And Director, let me show you something on the screen about what is coming from the Office of the Attorney General by way of an action that they have taken to say that the 3rd accused person in the matter, Mildred Donko, charges against her has been withdrawn. So there you go. So yesterday, 16th of October 2025 at 3 p.m., the Office of the Attorney General filed this particular notice of withdrawal from prosecution. And the indication is that the third accused person, Medred Donko, who is facing 2 charges or 2 counts of the offenses, is withdrawn from the charge. What is clear is that officially the court will be notified today because the case is coming up today and a decision will be taken. And once the AG or the state has withdrawn charges against Medred Donko, we are being told that he'll be used as one of the witnesses that will testify in this matter. So it's one of the things that we should keep an eye on. Then the National Service ghost names. Yesterday, I did indicate that that case was coming up. But of course, it has to be deferred to today. So today we expect Gifty or Mensah to come to court and respond to the 5 counts. Then Osei Sibe Entry, the former executive director, will also be in court to respond to the 14 counts of charges or 14 counts of the offenses that have been leveled against him. So these are the things that we should be expecting from the court. It's going to be a very busy day. Edubwa Hen will come to court. Asesibe Entry will be coming to court. And of course, Gifty or Mensah. So these are the issues that we have for you by way of court today, this morning.
Thank you very much, Murtala. We're grateful.